Hi, I am Dr. Faisal. In this video, I am going to share a new thing with you. You may not familiar of it before. This thing is onion peel tea. The tea made from skins of onion. Don't throw onion skin away again. Throwing the onion peels when preparing food is the biggest mistake you can make. According to studies, onion peels are rich in antioxidants that can improve your overall health, and they also contain dietary fiber and flavonoids, which are great for the skin and surely can improve your skin health. Now the question is how to prepare onion peel tea. It's very simple. Peel the onions. Put a few onion peels in a jug or bowl and pour water on them. Then let them soak for 15 minutes. Strain the mixture and drink it. This onion peel tea is a very much effective in treating sleep disorders due to the sedative properties of quercetin. The onion peel tea will help you if you are suffering from insomnia. This is an excellent addition to your diet due to the insoluble fiber which stimulates peristaltic movements of the colon and flushes out toxins from the body. And note that it is not recommended drink for pregnant and nursing mothers. Stay happy, stay healthy. Remember me in your prayers, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe your doctor's channel. Thank you.